Can Callie play?
Hey guys, we're at the farm and we're gonna have fun.
Yes, we are.
I love that, but it's not real.
There's a cow that is not real. I see it. Hey girls. Macy, give me away.
Hey, huge dinosaur.
Yeah. Man like. Callie, you're the chick. Macy, you're the sheep. Caden, you're the rabbit. Woo. Do a big smile. Love it. Scarecrows, they like you. The one, I think the one in the blue t-shirt with the rainbow. Looking like you, man. Hi, Case. Hi, Holly. Caden, Callie, Macy. You come this side and look at the turkey. Hello, turkey. That's for people who work here, isn't it? Come on. Let's keep walking. Look at the back over there, the little tiny little goats. They're so cute, right at the back. You see them over there, guys? Yeah. What's over there? Ducks, yeah. How many ducks do you see? 3 and then 4. Good girl. Oh, there's some water.
They're hungry, aren't they? Like you can grass. Is it talking, Kate?
Go get it,
breed of chicken, isn't it?
The chicken house, the chicken
go
house.
get it.
Oh, look at it.
Magnus.
Llama.
Magnus.
Llama.
Careful, do you want us back? Quick, quick, what goes? Ah, Caden just got a stroke.
It's coming. Look at this jump now.
How about me?
There we go.
Oh, what are these? Oh my gosh, they're piglets. Oh, how cute are they? I'm sorry, that is, I want to hold one. They are so cute. Callie, aren't they cute? What are they?
Pigs.
Piglets. Baby pigs are called piglets. That's a big rabbit. That's a very big rabbit. What noise does the sheep make, Casey? Bah.
It is raining today.
I love muddy puddles.
Peppa, if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots.
Okay.
Give a big thumbs up if you like this video.